Team, I hope you guys are ready for a very, very interesting end of the week. So, we just had all the Powell nonsense yesterday. We had Facebook earnings after hours, in which they pretty much knocked it out of the park. They're doing more share buybacks. Thanks to my long term portfolio. Very much appreciates you, Facebook, for that one. And then we have, I believe, Apple and Amazon earnings after hours today. So we have a very, very, very interesting day ahead here, guys. So again, the SPY is literally right at a level of key resistance here. It's basically exactly where we came up to yesterday on the nice move up from Powell. It's basically 413.60 to 413.75. That's about what we're looking at here on the SPY. That's right where we're teetering right here. If we can break above that, we're probably going to run a little bit. If it rejects from here, you could see an aggressive sell-off. So team, again, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithms over here. I know we got a couple more of you guys in here this morning. Welcome to all the new people. Shout out to all the new members of the Trade 1348 platform. You guys are awesome, man. We're going to get you guys up to speed, printed money for all of you guys on the sidelines. You still have access to your 2-week free trial, and the monthly payment is $30 a month-ish, cheaper than it was 2 months ago, but that's not going to stay the same forever. So make sure that you guys are taking advantage of your 2-week free trial. You're getting it. It's literally a gift. Here you go. Take the gift. It's 2 weeks for free. So that link is at the top of the live chat there. Welcome, everybody. Hopefully, we're having a good day. The Qs have skyrocketed with Facebook. You're watching for the downside. That's kind of what I'm watching here, too. The problem is that you can easily see this, like the large money institutions just buy up all of the little tiny dips that you could potentially see all day long. So you could see these yellow traffic lights on the 1 minute to the downside, and then they come down to the 48, they get bought up, and then it just shoots right back up. So it's just a bait and switch day. That's the only thing that I'm looking for here, where it's like, okay, if we're going to see a nice cascade move to the downside, cool, that's great. But I would be a little bit more like hesitant almost at like really slapping things to the downside here. Good morning, everyone. In 1348, longest green streak ever. Nicky Ricky, you absolute monster, dude. Did you hear ankles? Well, if you guys hit 500 likes on the live stream, yes. Oh, SPY popping again. If you guys hit 500 likes on the live stream, I mean, we will do it, but we'll see. You guys haven't even been anywhere close to that recently. So again, oh my God, we're almost at 50 likes. What's up, team? How we doing? Dude, this thing's just running. 414.14 here. New pre-market high. Oops, that's not the coffee I want. I want the first coffee. Okay. Let's see here. Team. Angles, hell yeah. All right, guys. If you guys want them, you can do it. I mean, it's all in your control. You just come, you hit the like button, and then we'll see what happens. So, I mean, we did get data this morning. Again, the data's not too good. There's less people than expected filing for unemployment benefits, meaning more people in the workforce, meaning could be having higher inflation. So, I don't know. We'll see what happens here. The data's looking interesting. Let's see what we have on this here for the March. Why is this May? Oh, that's why, because this thing is stupid. Let's see. There's a 14.4% probability of no further rate hike, and then 85.6% probability of an additional 25 basis point rate hike at the March Fed meeting. That's interesting. You're gonna buy the ankle NFT, guys. I'm not gonna fucking scam you with NFTs, bro. Anybody that's selling you like NFTs, dude, off their YouTube channel, it's fucking like, come on now. What was that thing you and Gabe showed last stream? Was it a bot? Yeah, that's one of our algorithms that trades. That's one of our algorithms that trades. We have a bunch of them. We have a couple more in the pipeline too. But that was Rita. That was one of the Ritas that you guys saw. That was up 10% in a day, or in other words, $3,000. So, I mean, again, there's nothing else like it on the market, man. We have the most powerful tools for retail investors. You want to take advantage of it and make money in the market? Cool. If you don't, have fun continuing to lose in the market. I can lead you to the water, but I cannot make you drink. So we'll see. We'll see if you guys actually end up taking action. But for some of you guys in your current situations, I don't know. I don't know about some of you. Most of you guys that are in there right now are killing it. Those of you guys sitting on the sidelines at this point still, I don't know. It takes trades for you. Yeah. Yeah, it's automatic. All these RSIs are cooked. Dude, I know they are. You're slurping up water and making money? There you go, Taco Lori. Yeah, we have a bunch of them. eTrev. Let's see here. Is there anything useful on Twitter, or is it just like circle jerk nonsense of people just being stupid? I already know the answer to that question, but let's just see how bad it is. Okay. What's this? Hold on. Let me go on. I haven't been on Zero Hedge in a while. Let's see if there's anything useful here. ECB sound tech. That's funny. Powell says disinflation 13 times. Bank of England pausing. ECB one more and done. This is weird, dude. ECB hikes 50 basis points as expected. Issues dovish forward guidance. Unveils climate quantitative easing. This is weird, dude. I mean, 2023 could get interesting. Wait a second. Hold on. Actually, hold on. Hold your horses. I gotta look at something here. Hold on. What's going on here? Uh-huh. Huh. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Well, we'll see. Had a profitable day yesterday. Let's do it again. There you go. How much is the monthly to our platform? 69 a month. It was 96, and it's probably going to be going back up very, very, very soon. So make sure that you guys are hopping in there before we end up raising prices so you can lock in the price that you're at right now. Is Rita still trading on a paper account, or did you trust her with a small account? There are iterations of Rita that do have real money on them right now. But it's different. We basically have a paper trading engine. It's different because there's weird shit that happens with like some brokers and their paper trading in the data feeds. So we have to avoid all that. So we basically, with all the data that we pay for, some of it we do it ourselves. What's the yearly charge? Oh, what is it? 6 something? If you pay yearly? I don't know, guys. It's all on platform, man. It's all on platform. It's all on the link that I have in the top of the live chat there. So if you guys are interested, make sure you hop in. There's the link. 2 weeks for free. Don't get left behind because, I mean, we will leave you behind when we do end up raising prices. Morning, Ankle Man. We're going to print today. Dude, as usual, man. This is Print City over here. Nobody's doing it like us. All right, guys. Keeping that like on the way, and we're almost at 100. Does everyone get Rita? No. Rita is basically Invictus. Nobody actually gets Rita. Here's why. One, if you have too many people trading with Rita, you move markets. Second, a lot of legal nonsense that I don't want to have to deal with giving people an algorithm that we built to trade. But Rita, you guys, what Rita is, and we're going to do some interesting things with Rita soon too. But Rita's a monster. Rita is trading with Invictus though. So, and it's following a lot of the rules that we teach you guys as well with some other cool shit in there as well. But what you can use it as is just, okay, this is how powerful our algorithms actually are with an algorithm just following the rules and trading it. Dude, the SPY is ripping. This is hilarious. Rita teasing. We're gonna do some stuff with Rita for you guys though. We have some interesting things that we can kind of get going for you. Wanted to keep your SPY calls overnight, but didn't trust the market and took 36.8% and got out. Good. It's all about securing the bag, dude. It's not about fully maximizing the one trade that you have. Because if you are trying to fully maximize the one trade that you have, oh, dude, this is Tabasco Dave. Hope you're in here, buddy. Ready, set, go. This is literally the problem with most retail investors that they just don't think right. Ready? Everybody tries to maximize the one trade that they have. But if you think very logically about what they're actually doing, it means that either they're very, very inexperienced and don't have a solid system to find other trades, or they don't trust the system that they're trading with to go out and give them another really, really solid opportunity. The stock market is not all about just maximizing the gains on every single trade. Can you put yourself in a really solid position to maximize those gains? Yes, that's where that stop loss strategy that I teach you guys comes from. But at the same time, you have to think about it in terms of a game of risk, reward, and probability. There is always going to be another trade coming. Again, remember the 1348 system, the traffic lights are absolutely insane with the things that we give you guys on platform, but you have to be able to trust the system in order to know deep down that you're going to have another trade coming right away. And you don't have to keep your money in the market and at risk to potentially forego or lose out on the gains that you already have. Nice haircut. Dude, I haven't gotten a haircut yet. I need one so bad. Like, so bad. My hair is so long right now. And then, because it's like this shit right here gets all nuts and like frizzy. You're getting good at this on the spot. Reminds me of your daily aftermarket videos. See, dude, it's quick. It's quick and easy. All right, guys, keeping that like on the way. We are almost at 100 likes. You guys are slacking. Haven't seen you for like a couple months. Looks like you got a haircut to me. Where have you been, bro? You've missed out on a lot of printing. Who have you been hanging out with? I hope it's someone all right. I mean, there's a lot of people leading everybody to the slaughter over there. It's rough. It's rough out here. Tesla RSI's at 88. On what time frame? Do we think Sony stock beats its earnings? It's a coin flip. Take the charts off and just put your whole face to the rest of the stream. Why? Don't you guys want to see the charts? Or do you just want to stare at me the entire day? Like, that's weird. You guys do treat me like a piece of meat, which is, I guess it's okay. But I mean, I'm not gonna like put myself into a situation to be treated even more like a piece of meat, you know? All right, Apple ripping. Where's AMD? Come on, AMD. Fucking let's go. Oh my lord. Come on. Where's dicks? Because I own a lot of dicks. Nice. You want to stare into my soul? Okay. All right, man. That's an interesting statement there. Okay. Dude, we are 13 likes away from 100. Who's going to be lucky number 100? We are what? 33 minutes left until open here, team. You own a lot of what now? You heard me, Logan. I own a lot of dicks. If you guys look at the quote sheet that Arvin's made for me, it's hilarious. I have it up over here. One time I said, what was the dicks one? Where is it? I didn't realize I had that many dicks. Looked at my portfolio one day. It was like, holy shit, that's a lot of dicks. Lifetime here, waiting on the announcement page for instructions per Diana. Wait, what do you mean? Skid mark for what? Like the payment plan? Oh, the payment plan's coming soon. Ooh, 5 likes away from a hunt. Dude, it's like kind of hot in here, which is weird because I know it's cold as fuck outside. And I'm just like, come on, relax a little. Make it. We should have our own charts anyways. And nice, good on you for owning the glizzies. Dude, I have a lot of it. Like, I have like thousands of, it might even be like tens. No, it's not tens of thousands. It might be at this point. I don't know. Look at, like, if we pull it up here, dicks. On the daily, look at this thing. Boom. 134. Booming, dude. Look at that. All right, dude. This market today is going to be fucking wild. I hope you guys are excited. Pepe, stop. Jesus. All right. 4 likes away from 100. You guys are still slacking, but it's okay. You're not going to hit the ankle threshold today. You still use the OG 1348 cross on Webull. You can definitely have success with that, but Etrev, you're going to have a lot more success if you're using all the tools and the learnings that we provide you within our platform. Again, 1348 is just the core of the things that we teach you guys. The amount of learning, the tools that we're providing you guys, real-time unusual options data, like all of the proprietary algorithms that we have out there for you guys. Again, you don't want to miss out. Again, you get 2 weeks for free right now, dude. 14 days for free. There's that link right there. Take advantage of that, man, because again, it literally is zero risk. And once you're in there, I mean, you're gonna see the power of it and never want to leave. I predict some good profit taking at open. We'll see if the ECB news is going to kind of drive the market today as well. A 50 basis point hike, but a lot of dovish statements, very similar to what Powell said. Yeah, I mean, not really though. That's the thing. Like Powell he did say disinflation a bunch, but he also said, I don't know, a shitload. And he said the word uncertain. He does not know how high we're actually going to take rates. They still don't. So it's like, this is a bit strange. All hail the mighty traffic lights. Dude, the traffic lights are a cheat code. Yeah, make sure you guys are watching those traffic light videos, hopping in on platform 2 weeks for free at a cheaper, like a $30 a month cheaper price than it was 2 months ago. You're welcome. That's your early 2023 gift. It's hard to tell, TJ. All right. We need more coffee. Why do we need to see unemployment rise to help inflation? Well, the labor market's pretty tight. So if unemployment rises, less people are in the workforce, less people are making money, which then leads to less people spending more money. So they actually spend less money and the demand push elements of inflation come down. Can you drop a link to show how to set up the traffic lights? So if you're not in the only way to get the traffic lights is in our platform. All you need to do is this. So you come over to trade1348.com. Once you guys get in on the platform, this is not gonna work. I'll go yesterday, 3-minute alerts. You click on this right here, the little icon, you pull up this drawer where you get, look at this. You have all of the strategic options. It's telling you where you should probably be going with your trade. So we have this right here. Then we have all of the latest news on the stock, but you can also go to recent and unusual options activity, but this is the custom chart download right here. Too early for those ankles? Hey, man, if you guys hit the like threshold, you'll get it. But that's where you get it. And on Monday, I believe that you guys are all going to be getting daily traffic light alerts. Welcome to Print City, man. The game has changed, and you guys make some fucking room in your bank accounts because this is going to be fun. Thank you. You're welcome, Josh. You are welcome, buddy. Let's see. What the shit? I always think there's gonna be like a seagull that just comes in and just goes whack right on the window. But it's just the building just creaking. It's terrifying. Welcome to Printopolis and Printopia. Yeah, dude, you guys are in the right place here. If you're just finding us for the first time, welcome, guys. Make sure you test out your 2-week free trial. We've done things that nobody, and again, this is the funny thing, like that call a couple days ago. The guy had a lot of questions because again, the things that we're doing, they do sound too good to be true. They really do. But that's kind of the point of the things that we're building. We want them to be best in class. They work super, super, super well, which is what we've been able to accomplish. So, I mean, again, I'm always here to answer questions about any of the offerings that we have, the predictive algorithms, Pythagoras, Trader Joe, Invictus, Rita, all of it, dude. We have some crazy shit for you guys that is literally revolutionary. Gabe and I sometimes look at ourselves when we're doing like we just take a break and we're like, what the fuck have we done here? It's like this is the most powerful shit that I've ever seen. Let's see. Pulled over on my drive home from work to drop a like. Going full screen helps me clip, and I appreciate it. Thank you, Tabasco Dave. Only got 2 hours a day. I can give clipping massive amounts of. Oh, thank you, buddy. Yeah. So whenever I go full screen, is clip time. So hopefully you got that one. All right. You taught us to read charts. Simple as that. Yeah, man. I remember when we were excited about Trader Joe being in testing. Well, man, how it's grown since then, dude. I know, isn't it cool? We've got some crazy shit coming for you guys too. Get ready. How is Trader Joe doing right now? Is he fucking around? He's up 8%. Let's see. So let's see. Long. Oh, that's good. So he's net long. I like that. Let's see what happens today and over the next few days. Do you set stops when you swing with traffic lights? No. Usually no. Is Pythagoras broken? No. I'm tweaking them. No, Pythagoras had some changes made to it. And so the day predictives are really good. So it's the trading element of Pythagoras that needed some tweaks, which we're changing. Am I bullish yet? No. But here's the thing though. It doesn't really matter if I'm bullish or bearish because my actions don't really change either way. Like, my bias does not affect my behavior, if that makes sense. Like, my long term sits there. The market could fucking tank. I don't give a fuck. I'm not taking the money. And again, we're just going to be trading on the traffic lights like, again, if my plan in the market for long term is I don't give a fuck. I'm putting the money in there and I'm letting it do its thing over 10 years. Well, me being bullish or bearish over the next 2 months doesn't matter. Then we bring it over to trading. Okay. With trading, unless you're swinging, it doesn't matter. I could be wildly bullish, but if I see a traffic light to the downside, I'm taking it. So it doesn't really matter if you're bullish or bearish. And people will try to do this. You see people do this on Twitter, which is really, really, really bad. What they'll do is they'll put out a thesis of what could potentially happen, but it does not mean that they're positioned that way. It doesn't matter. Like, I could throw out a thesis, like on the TLT one. I threw out a thesis on TLT. I'm like, this is what could happen, blah, 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 blah. But I told you guys, I don't have a TLT position. I'm just looking at things that I'm like, okay, it's an if-then statement. It's like, okay, if this happens, then TLT can go. Traffic lights on the daily look disgusting. Most times look like $2 moves. Can't imagine the huge gains. Oh, dude, it's sick. That's the beauty of this. It absolutely doesn't matter what the market does. You never have to guess a single thing. Exactly. You never have to guess. And if you are guessing in the market, all of you guys in this live chat right now, if you're trying to predict and if you're trying to guess things in the market, you are going to fail. All right? Ready. You cannot have success in the market trying to predict things. Leave the predictions to Pythagoras and Invictus. They are better at it than you are. What makes you coming into the market and being reactive? Be reactive. Do not try and predict. You'll see all of these other morons circle jerking each other over here on Twitter, trying to predict what's going to happen. You'll see YouTubers come out and say, this is going to happen. And the only reason why they're doing that is to basically try and be right that 1 or 2 times so that you as the viewer think that they are some absolute fucking genius and then follow them. I don't care. I want you guys to learn exactly how to react to the market, to whatever is going to come out on any single day. That's how pro traders make money in the market. They're not sitting here predicting. All they're doing is looking at risk to reward and probabilities over an extended period of time. They don't trade with bias. They're effectively a robot. And that's why our algorithms can have so much success too, because they're a robot. They don't have a bias. How easy is it to download the charts in the TradingView app? A kindergartner could do it. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. It looks like we got like 350 of you guys in here. What's up, team? How we doing? How we doing in managing their risk right? Exactly. Circle jerking sounds fun, though. Can we circle jerk and not predict? No, Moto, stop. But that's what you guys have to realize here. It's like, it doesn't matter. I missed that. Can you repeat? No, you can go back. Sounds like all screwed up. No, you won't. You will. But yeah, guys, make sure you're getting your 2-week free trials. We trade very differently, which is why our members are able to have so much success. We've made 2 millionaires so far. Two. I want at least 10 this year. I'm trying to set up that interview with Dutch Az. We're going to try to get that going if we can. But yeah, man. I mean, again, my goal is to make 10 millionaires this year. I'm pretty good at exceeding goals too. If I think back like 2 years ago at the goals I had set for myself, it's way ahead. Way, way exceeded anything that I could ever imagine. Bama? No. Once somebody just basically tries to steal $150,000 from you, you kind of are like, yeah, no, thanks. Let's see. You wish there were traffic lights on Webull. Not really a fan of Trading View. Well, you need the traffic lights. The traffic lights are filthy, dude. If you don't have the traffic lights on your chart, I don't know, man. It's going to be tough to make money in this market without them. Sachin, what's up, buddy? How you doing? All right, guys. We got what? 19 minutes until open. Trading View charts are better than Webull's too. Yeah, I agree. Good morning, Matty T. What's up, pal? I was initially not initially a fan of Trading View, but I've come around as lots of very cool features. Yeah, it does. I love Trading View, dude. He's copying so much. Everybody tries to copy us, and do you know why? We are the best. That's why, dude. It's very simple. We are the best. You can't compete with us, dude. It's impossible. Try, and you're just gonna fail and lose people money because you don't know. People don't know what they're doing with this. Don't like, dude. Here's the thing, and I hate to say it this way, but very bluntly, our team is light years ahead of everybody. Light years. And you don't really want to go against me in an intellectual creation battle. I will spark you. Let's see. How do you get the 13-foot Genie off the Trading View chart? I believe you can turn it off, but if you're on mobile, all you have to do is turn it sideways. Yeah, dude, the traffic lights are sick. I love them. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. We are almost at 150 before open. I appreciate you guys. Hopefully everybody's having a good day so far. Oh, YouTube's freaking out this morning, I think. Traffic lights are far better tools than hope and pray. Dude, and we have Gabe. Exactly, dude. You have what you have. Okay, so here's the other thing, too, that people don't necessarily understand. Who would you rather take, like, either business advice from or, like, trading advice from? Somebody who's, like, new, doesn't really know what they're doing, and isn't already rich. Or somebody who's been doing it for years consistently and already has a fuckload of money. Gabe is a monster. Some people are just different. Gabe is one of those people that's just different, bro. Gabe is the GOAT. Yeah, he is, dude. Let's see. All right. SPY, a little bit of a slip here, but still very elevated here in the pre-market. He's about as close to a bot as it gets. Yeah, dude. Why do you think that our bots perform so well in everything else? Like, it's because they're iterations of him. Any update lately on AMC and Ape? No, the only update is everybody's still getting stolen from by Ape. That's the update. Which time frame is better for using traffic lights? It depends on your own personality. 1 minute is going to be for scalpers. 5 minute, you can hold it a little bit more so for longer day trades. 4 hours, nasty. Daily's nasty. When's that next millionaire interview coming? I gotta see. He was talking, he was like, oh, his lawyers were like, don't share your information, things like that, which is fair. We just got to figure out a way to be able to do it so that, one, we just don't like share his info. His weakness, cows. Love me some 1 minute traffic lights. Dude, the 1 minute traffic lights are filth. I live by them. Actually, I have a Tabasco Dave. I have like a little prepared rant for later. I just want the lighting to be better. Like I need this to settle the fuck down. So maybe in a little bit I'll do it. So maybe on the afternoon stream, I'll clip that one. Any video on why Ape is stealing? Just curious. Yes. Go way back in August to the videos I made when I said Ape was a dumpster fire. It's theft. It's literally circumventing the current investor base to take money from them. Are you doing this Friday or next Friday dates when playing the 1 minute? No, I'm playing closer expirations on the 1 minute. The 5 minute, I'm always playing next week expirations. And then also, Bamba, it didn't work. Like for 4-hour lights, how far out should your options be? It's not necessarily, that's not necessarily the question. The question should be is how much risk should I have on the table? And it should be the same as usual. So you could literally trade 2 weeks out with 2% of your portfolio and have a 50% stop loss. Or like, and that's probably what I would do. Maybe 3 weeks out with 2% of your account. It all depends on the risk reward. It doesn't necessarily depend on expiration dates as much. It does, because in order to get those positions set up correctly, you are going to have to navigate expiration dates. I would say a minimum of 2 weeks to expiration, up to like a month and a half to 2 months. And that's where I think you need to decide like where your risk is, like how to set up your risk to reward or your max risk. Again, I talk about this a lot with you guys, that hesitation is going to kill a lot of your gains. So if you're going to hesitate in the market, that's not going to be something good. You need to be able to just look at it, say, okay, this is, and in order to kind of get around hesitation, if you define your risk and know the worst case scenario before you enter the trade, it becomes a lot less scary to enter that trade. Was it just me or the market more difficult than normal? It was slightly more difficult just because premiums were inflated. Is 5% P&L per trade good for scalp? Okay, so that's I don't know what you're, I mean, if you make 5% on a trade, that's awesome. On your account, that's crazy. Sucks for people that kind of very high, but if people on the bottom of the range, like I did, still think sitting on long term would be successful. Oh no, I think Ape is theft. Did I lose faith in AMC? Yeah, 100% after Ape. I don't have any trust in the CEO or the retail investor base to make the right decisions on where that company needs to go. Zero faith. And I was right. That's the thing. It was like I was like, no. After that came out, I was like, this is nonsense. This thing's gonna tank. And then it did. So there were a lot of people out there leading you guys to the slaughter. Guess what? I will never do that. And people are still doing it. They're still doing it. I asked because I don't know if I should take profit when I see 2% gains on your account or on the trade. That's what you got to be careful of. Will SPY premiums be back to normal today? Or will it take for a few days for the IV to settle down? I think they will come down, but not as much because you still have like Apple earnings. Apple, Amazon. I think they will come down a little bit, but they won't be like completely back to normal. And that's something that I'm going to be looking for too. Like if the contracts that I'm like want to trade are still in like the mid to high twos, I like the premiums are just going to be cooked, man. No, I would not do that, Red. I wouldn't do it. Oh, per trade. Oh, making 5% on a trade is good. I mean, again, it's you can use the stop loss strategy. Yeah, so eTrev, I don't think you're a part of the community yet. I would highly recommend that you join up for your 2 weeks for free and then watch all those videos. Same thing with all of you guys on the sidelines too. I mean, I don't know what you're doing sitting on the sidelines here when you see everybody printing all the time. We're just leaving you behind. It's okay. I mean, the best time to plant the tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. What happens when the 48 crosses the 200 to the upside? Short squeeze. I don't know, man. It's just another like it's just another cross. Actually, hold on here. Is this actually better lighting? Hold on. Is it? We'll give it a second. Your port is up 12% in just 2 trading days. That alone proves the system works. Yeah, it is. Bama, that's the silver lining, that if that is possible, they can sell those ape units at the higher price. That would actually be good. But it's basically admitting that what they did before was a dumpster fire. So then you're now saying, okay, this was a failure. Now you're going to try to do this. Should we trust you that this is going to work? It's like, well, I don't know. They're just going to dilute when you could have done it 2 years ago. So I think a lot of it's nonsense. So anyone saying the system doesn't work needs to go back to paper trading. Yeah, dude, this system is filthy. All right, guys. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. Let's see if we can get to 200. They couldn't do it. People voted no. Exactly. That's why I say I have no faith in the retail investor base too. Yeah, it's just SPY. It's just SPY, Mauser. Thoughts on SPY? I mean, you are above this key level here of what, 413.75. You could run here. It's very possible that this thing goes. But again, you're up 1% in the pre-market here. You just got the ECB news. The jobs numbers that we had over here weren't great. I mean, it was good in terms of like what Biden can come out and say, but in terms of like inflation and like getting inflation down to 2%, that's not really what you wanted to see out of it. Am I looking for a reversal play? Yeah, we'll look for one. But again, it's very possible that it's a bait and switch type of day where you see the slips and you see these traffic lights down and they just get bought. Like this. Like you could see this all day long where traffic light down and then you see it hit the 48, bought right back up. That's what I'm worried about with the traffic lights today. This is the golden age. Dude, I mean, maybe the bots were onto something. I still think it's nonsense, but we'll see. Because again, either way, they gambled. We're not gambling over here. That's a silly thing to do in the market. Yep. If you guys want to come to the best place to learn how to trade, you know where to go. 2 weeks free. Link at the top of the live chat. 14 days to change your life, man. I'm also the only person that's going to potentially have 2 videos on their channel with their members becoming millionaires. What are you going to say at this point? Everybody likes to make excuses. It's like, oh, but I work. So does everybody else. Oh, but this. You're just making excuses. You'll be more cautious in the market today? Yeah, I think I'm going to be too. We'll see what happens, though. I don't know, man. I mean, I'd love to see a test of the 200 and then see what happens, but this thing is fucking cooked. Not on the 1 minute. I mean, the 5 minute might be, yep, 5 minutes still cooked. Everything else is probably cooked then too. Where the fuck is this? Oh, there it is. Yeah, 4 hours cooked. Daily's probably getting cooked. Yeah, Daily's getting up there. All right, you got 7 minutes to go. All of those excuses are lies. Yeah. Faust, anything that's follow trading, I don't like. I just don't like it. I think it hurts more people than it helps. You're never going to get rich following somebody else's trades. It's not going to happen for you. Check the dollar. That's interesting. It hasn't been too correlated. Like, I haven't been looking at the dollar all that much. Oh, boy, team. We are 20 likes away from 200. Who's going to be lucky number 200? Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Again, if you do hit 500, I will do the ankles thing. But, again, I don't think you got it. In fact, you will be a bag holder following trades? Yeah, you will. You're always late on them, too. You're just being used as, most of the time, you're being used as exit liquidity. So you're paying them to be their exit liquidity. It's like sometimes maybe not, but again, we've seen it many, many, many times in the past play out that way. I want to make sure you guys are all protected. Market is scary today. Everything's up so fast. Dude, I know, man. This is 5 minutes. Whoa, you guys really ripped it up above 200. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. If we don't go back under 400 this year, you'll be devastated. You didn't buy anything in your long-term wish list in 2022. Yeah, I mean, I don't see. The thing is I'm fine with like where prices are now. If we end up slipping, maybe I'll start throwing some money in. But I mean, the long term that I have right now is chilling, dude. Chilling. Like it's still down. I think it's still down 6 figures off the high. The long term. I think. I don't know. It's close. It's close to only being 5. Is it chasing if I decide to take a trade on the daily traffic light if it was a signal from a few days ago? No. No. Let's see here. Oh, what's this? Lagarde says, I can't think of scenarios where 50 basis point hike would not happen unless they're quite extreme. I love being used as exit liquidity. It gives me a sense of purpose in life. Yeah, no, Arvin, that's just like you're cucking yourself. We'll definitely go lower. Too many variables at play. The leverage and derivatives exposure is crippling. Yes, but it depends on where that exposure is. Most of that is like hedging. Like that's what people don't understand is like when I was making those videos about like the trillions of dollars of notional exposure, that's the exposure of what the underlying is. So like if I bought one contract, like one option contract on a stock that's $10, multiply that by 100. So that's the notional value. And those also could be hedges against other positions that they're selling clients. Like you don't know. Ramban, you're trading penny stocks. I think that's a terrible idea, but you do what you do, buddy. You do you. I think penny stocks are garbage. Absolute garbage. Microsoft doing its thing in the pre-market again. Interesting. I'm interested in Facebook today. So we'll see what happens here. This is on the 5 minute. Okay. 1 minute. Interesting. Let's check Microsoft quick. What's Microsoft doing? Up to, oh, hello. Ever look at the 3 minute chart? Sometimes. You're going to sit out and wait for a pullback? Yeah. I mean, again, you don't want to be chasing this to the upside here. Look at the exposure and details and the junk bonds being held will eventually turn us down. Just my thoughts. Yeah, I mean, people have been saying that for years, though. That's the problem. It's like you need a catalyst. Bitcoin will pop with the S&P? Yeah, probably will. Probably will. Oh, is it Groundhog Day today? You love the 3. Do some of your best rims on the 3? Yeah, yeah. I mean, the 3 minutes good, man. The 3 minutes. I mean, even for the traffic lights, they're not bad. Tessie on the 1. I mean, Tessie on the 5 is just right at the 13. 6 more weeks of winter. Fuck, I don't want that. I don't want that. $15-minute? No, I don't use the 15. I would not. I would be careful with the 15. You're gonna be late most of the time. No AMC? Absolutely not. When everybody's just getting stolen from with Ape. Can it run? Yeah. If the market's gonna rip, it's probably gonna go. But just be careful. It's like make sure you have a plan. If you're gonna trade it, don't do anything dumb, please. All right, guys. Keep smacking that like on the way in. We got less than a minute to go. We're almost at 250 likes before open. Thank you, guys. Let's have a great day today. Apple's shooting up over here. How much time we got? About 15 seconds until open. Here we go. You like talk about it was legit? Oh no, I looked at it a little bit and I just because when you first said it, I was like nonsense. But if they did what they actually think, that's fucked up. But again, it's like, is that fucked up thing gonna help you make money? It's like that's the thing. All right, ding, ding, ding. The market is open, team. Let's get after it. Let's see, guys. Trade 1348 gang. Let's win again. Another day. Let's see what we get. Cool. All right. Apple at resistance. Spy fucking around. Yeah, I've got a really, really nice rant for like a nice short form video later. So I just need the damn lights to the sunlight to stop being an asshole. There goes a little bit of SPY slippage here. Actually, I want to see what the SPY premiums are like. How shitty are they? Are they decent now? They're still inflated. They're still inflated. Okay. Yeah, see, I don't. It's gonna take a little bit for these to come back to normal. Let's see. Tesla dropping hard. Where is Tessie? Yeah, Tessie getting clicked here. You're looking at this 5-minute 13 as well on the SPY. Nancy with a little slip. Okay. All right, guys. Let's see. I mean, you did flash a traffic light, but it didn't confirm. That's why I'm not touching it yet. I want to give this thing a little bit of time to see where it actually wants to go. With your long account positions up so much, you almost have to take SPY puts as a hedge. That's not the worst idea in the world. Took Neo portfolio up 7% and you're out. Also, I left a light. Thank you. Baba. Oh, you guys hit Baba? What's up with Baba here? Ooh, big shark candle on Baba there. Holy shit. Look at that. Let's see. See what SPY wants to do here. Oh, that was a knife. Gets bought right up, though. Jesus. That was aggressive. Let's see if it breaks this 48. Facebook. Yeah, Facebook slipping here. See what SPY wants to do. Caught Facebook, made 1.33% on the port with 2% of your port. Damn. Let's see what SPY wants to do here. Did I see Michael Burry's tweet about sell? Yeah, everybody did. Cool. SPY right back up. Ooh, SPY slipping here. Hold on. I'm gonna do a little. Oh, knife. Thank you. All right. I'm scaling out. I gotta throw a stop in profit. Hold on. I'm up 15% on some SPY puts. Let's see. Throw a stop in profit. Hold on. Again, guys, you see the power of the 1-minute traffic lights. I'll show you guys in a second here. Let me just throw this stop. Cool. I was up 15%. This thing is just flashing around. Now I'm up 12. I have a stop in profit. I'll leave that one to go. Let's see what happens here, guys. Woo! Good way to start off the day here. This thing's just flashing around. This thing can easily move and hit my stop, and I don't give a fuck. So let's see. So where's this looking like on the 5-minute here? Oh, came right down to that level. Cool. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Nice little trade to start off the day. Little base hit. Did I play 0 days? Hell no, I didn't play 0 days. What am I, crazy? $388 on far out Tesla calls. There you go. Oh, Bed Bath & Beyond, be careful with that thing. You don't want to get rugged there. No, this thing's just flickering around 414. I'm up 10.5%, 10% on these. Scaled out twice. So I just went like a third scale out. So let's see what happens. I'm going to leave this stop here and effectively just try to play traffic light to traffic light. You know, easy peasy lemon squeezy, you know? Netflix dying. I mean, Apple's trying to, if Apple's sharks here, that would be interesting. Tessie's trying to move back up. SPY's not having too much fun here, but let's see. Nancy looks interesting. You wish Bed Bath & Beyond will rug pull? Oh, it probably will. Just be careful with that. Yeah, this is a good trade so far here. I really would love this thing to just get killed down to this 200, but I don't think it's gonna. Yeah, 15.5% on these. Now it's 12. I mean, these are moving around a lot. And the premium on this is like, they're kind of shitty still. Like, I hit it nice, but again, I'm trying to scale out quick out of these. Facebook? Yeah, I mean, I was watching Facebook. I told you guys that I was watching Facebook this morning on some downside, but I mean, I was more focused on SPY. Yeah, that's probably, no, it's not going to get me yet. All right. I mean, it's got to break this 1-minute 200 here. Now it's coming back up for a little bit of a rim. These contracts are moving a little slow. I kind of like that. Where's my stop here? I kind of like that here. Let's see what happens. All right, guys. Remember, if you guys want these traffic lights, want to make some money with us, again, it's the best place to come and learn how to trade. And we are giving you an absolute fucking gift of 2 weeks free. Here you go. You guys see everybody just crushing it all the time, and you're sitting there on the sidelines just with your finger in your butt. What are you doing? Stop down profit? Not, I'm not yet. I'm still in. Let's see. I mean, if basically this is playing traffic light to traffic light with where this stop is. It just got taken. There you go. Boom. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Out of the trade. Thank you very much. Super simple. So let's see. Nice little 1 minute 200 EMA bounce. We have data at 10. Hold on. Factory orders, but I don't really give a shit about that, do I now? Why are, oh, that's because those are 0 days. That's why. Thank you, traffic light. Dude, they're filthy, man. They're nasty. There's no way around it now. Traffic lights are filthy. You're not in there with us. I don't know what you're doing. I feel really bad for everybody that doesn't have the traffic lights on their charts right now, especially for those of you guys that are still following other idiots' trades. A 50% pullback? That's crazy behavior. Where's this on the 5? Okay. Needs to get above VWAP. Where's VWAP? 414.43. Okay. Carvana's ripping. Good for them. I'm not gonna be touching that garbage stock. Houston. Maybe a reversal later. Baba still dying. Jesus. Again, here's the thing. Carvana ripping like this. Cool. It's up 46%. Okay, why would we buy it now? Why would we touch this now? You're late. You're way late. Got a quick 8% on SPY put, size down. Yeah, I probably averaged, I think, probably 8, 9, 10% on that trade. I'd have to look because I was scaling in and out. Moderna on the 5. Yeah, that's getting there. Spreads are going to be terrible, but yeah, it's getting there. It'd be interesting to see if we could take SPY to the upside here off of this. A nice little push above 415. But again, it's just going to chop around. This was a great move down to the 1 minute 200. I like that a lot. That was filthy. Another filthy trade. What's your new website? AJR. It's linked at the top of the live chat, and it's in the it's floating around in the live chat here too. So again, we were warning you guys for like a month and a half about transferring over to Patreon. So I'll throw that link in here for you guys again. 2 weeks for free as well. You're welcome. 45% on a Baba put. Boom. Atta boy, Michael. Good shit. Been practicing the 1 minute traffic lights on SPY and paper count, playing 1 data expiration on several strikes out of the money, up 23% in 3 days, gaining some confidence in my ability to execute on the 1 minutes. Yeah, dude, that's how I trade them. I trade 1 day out. SPY coming back down. Oh, and 5% on SPY, you fucking monster. You monsters, guys. 62% with your swings overnight. These crosses are pinpoint. Dude, they are. They are, man. We got 468 of you guys in here. Welcome to everybody that's new. You have finally found the best place to come and learn how to trade. You found it. All that searching for all these idiots on the internet, you finally came to the right place. Dude, look at all these people printing. I love this shit, dude. Oh, wait. I got to send Gabe the link if he wants to come on. Hold on. I have to do that this morning. Carvana halted. Cool. It's a garbage stock. I don't want to go anywhere near that piece of shit. Why are we trying to chase it? Everybody needs to write on a sticky note and put it on their computer or where they can see it. Do not chase. All right, SPY back down to those lows. NVIDIA ripping here. There you go. Let's see. Where's AMD? I mean, if Nvidia is ripping like this, how's AMD? Woo! Make it. It's at 86, bro. Oh my god, I am making some serious cash on my AMD long term. Jesus. That's pretty good. SPY slipping. Apple fizzling a little bit here. Okay, chips are really strong. I'd be careful with taking those to the downside. Where's Facebook? Okay, Microsoft was another one that we were looking at. I'm not going to go back into SPY here because it never got a traffic light to the upside. Microsoft could get interesting though. So. Let's see what we get here on this. Netflix still dropping? Is it now? No, it's coming back up. Let's see. Do you know your whistling hurts when on headphones? Yes. Today's Groundhog Day? Yeah. I'm pretty sure it is. Everybody was talking about that. SPY right back up. Microsoft right back up. You're seeing a lot of chop here. Where's Tesla? Where is Tessie? All right. Apple looking to break. Tesla 1 minute traffic light back here at 187.85, all the way up here to 191. Bing, bang, boom. Tessie printed for you. See what the SPY wants to do here. Where's VWAP? You got 2 minutes left. Can I explain the RSI on the SPY on the 5? It's probably cooked. I mean, it dropped here off of this. It's at 50. It's pretty neutral right here. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. We got some slackers in here. Let's see. We're like we're like 50-ish likes away from 300. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. It's like bearish, but it's not. Yeah. I mean, it's below its moving average. So. SPY just teetering. Awfully quiet. It is pretty quiet here. Let's see what we get. Let's see if you can break that 414.50 and just start ripping. $1.7% on the account. Thanks for the money printer, STV and Gabe. No problem, buddy. No problem. I'm okay with quiet. Yeah, we'll see. There goes a shark. Where's Apple right now? Apple's just flatlined. Tessie slip. They don't like it above 414.50. Give it a second. They might start coming at this thing. We'll see though. They don't right now. Let's see. No, here it comes right back down. 30% up on the account today alone. Holy shit, bro. Yeah, let's see here. Spy's just fucking around. Oh, that's a big drop. That's a big drop there. Let's see. That 1 minute 200 is going to be oh, there it goes. There it goes. Let's see if it bounces here, if it gets killed. Let's see. Let's see. Man, I swear, who needs a job with 1348 strategy? Your boy's killing it. 148 bullies. Atta boy. There you go, buddy. I love to see that, man. You guys are crushing it. Man, I love seeing you guys win. Again, all this other bullshit out there in the market, people are just leading you guys to the slaughter. Love seeing you guys win. Let's see what Spy wants to do here. It's that 414.50 and this 200 EMA on the 1 minute that it's just fucking around with. So. Real talk, man. You and Review Door changed my life. 148 bullies. I appreciate that, man. I mean, dude, I love seeing you guys win. It's amazing, man. Again, 2 weeks for free, man. Come in, 2 weeks to change your life. Let's do it, dude. You're going to see the light. You're going to be like, wait, what? This is what they've been doing? Yeah. Yeah, this is exactly what we've been doing. So again, here's that link right there. Lance, I think he's charging like $400 a month for like 2 options trades that suck. Yeah, leading to the slaughter. All right, let's see what Spy wants to do here. It's just fucking around. Oh, hold on. I hate when it does that. It doesn't chart like that. It doesn't matter, man. I mean, you look at the types of and the quality of trades that our people are taking versus all these other people. It's literally pros versus kindergartners. SPY moving back down. Let's see. It's been screwing around with this 1 minute 200 here. Let's see. There's your 1%. Nice. All right, let's see what we get here. I think this is a new 5-minute candle, isn't it? It's just hanging on to this 48 here. Let's see. No, it's not liking this. This slip of the 200 here is going to get interesting. Nah, it's not doing it yet. Invest in yourself. The value is unmatched. It pays for itself over and over and over again and again and develops a lifelong skill set. Away today, 100%, man. That's the first closing candle down below there. That's interesting. It's fighting here. It's really fighting this. You were in there like a year ago, but I'm interested in prices. It's $69 a month right now. 2 months ago, it was $96. But the price that it is now is not staying the same forever because we have the amount of things that we're offering you guys is ridiculous. You get real-time proprietary trading algorithms. You get real-time unusual options activity. It is best in class, dude. I was telling RD that yesterday my 14-day trial ended. I purchased a quarterly subscription. I have already made the cost plus double just during the 14-day trial. Fuck yeah, dude. I love to see that. Good shit, dude. There you guys go. Let's see. Proof is in the pudding. Yep, it is. Here's that link right here for those of you guys that are interested. 2 weeks for free, man. For free. There you go. Come test it out. What do you have to lose? It doesn't like this 48 here, man. Apple with a slip. Tessie with a slip. One minute traffic light on Tessie. Oh boy. Yeah, there it is. Oh, hi, SPY. It's teetering. Nah, SPY new lows. Let's see. There it goes. Yeah, Tessie's getting it here. SPY could really get interesting here too. Let's see. Let's see here. $5% on that little drop there. Finally won today. There you go, dude. I love seeing you guys make money. There goes the Microsoft one was decent here too. I would love to see Tessie come back up into here, and then you can hit it. SPY's on crack. Look at that. 20% on that SPY move. There you go. Get you some traffic lights, people. They're the damn truth. Yeah. I mean, again, guys, what do you think? I'm going to sit here and just try to convince you guys all the time? You guys see it works. You'd have to be stupid to sit here and be like, well, I don't know. Bro, you see, I'm the only person on YouTube with interviews of people turning 8 grand into $1 million. Like, what do you want me to, like, there's not much more I can show you, man. Everything works very well. So it's either you want to take action and change your situation or you don't. Stop loss strategy for the win, out at 20%. There you go. Yeah, let's see. $6.4% on that SPY put, $13.48 for the win, 2.9% on the port IWM puts. Done for the day. Good shit, dude. Let's see what SPY wants to do here. I mean, if it can get over this 48, maybe you'll see a little boom, but it did not like 414.50. Maybe you get a traffic light to the upside here. Oops. No, there's a little movement, nothing crazy. It's reaching a little. Upside level. You're watching that 414.50. It did not like it above there. Right now, you're watching this 1 minute 48 to see if it can break, and really if it can hold 414, which it doesn't want to right here. See, right back down. Right back down. It did not like that move. Holy shit. Look at that, dude. Look at this move. It is not having any fun here. Holy shit. And SPY says that for you. Yeah, you never got the traffic light either. It's flickering, but this just looks like shit. It needs like it needs to break above this VWAP in the 5-minute 13th. That's what it really needs. Let's see. 2.48% on the port. SCV and company, peace out. I'm walking away. Good shit, dude. I love seeing you guys win. It's my favorite pastime, man. My favorite pastime is seeing you guys all fucking kill it in the market. Let's see if we get a little pop here. Let's see. It's just struggling right here. VWAP in the 13. How do you read the 5-minute traffic light if it's far from the 13, but the candle closes below the 48 for a put? You can risk the 48, or you can just wait for a retest. This thing is so 50-50 here. It's just getting walked down. It needs a break. And it's still just wicking this 48 on the 5. Let's see. Why are Carvana options so expensive? Because the market makers are stealing from you because they know that there's dumbasses coming into the market to try to buy these calls and chase the stock as it's going up. That's why. That's why. Ooh, hi, Nancy. Tessie, little movement here. Hello. Hold up, Tesla. What do you got going on here? What do you got going on here, buddy? Tessie looking a little bit spicy here. Let's see. SPY slipping. Tessie coming down. So. Let's see. Yeah, it does look tempting. SPY's looking shitty. SPY looks real shitty here. Where's the 5-minute, dude? Oh, yeah, that's not good. That's not good on SPY. That's no bueno. Let's see. There goes Tesla. Let's see. Bagged your 2% for the day. Time to blow up some paper accounts. Jesus, why do you have to do that? Why do you have to do that, dude? Let's see. Yeah, SPY just looks horrendous across the board here. Look at this. Actually, I want to do this. Everything is so like everything right now is literally giving you mixed signals. SPY looks like it wants to die. Tessie looks like it wants to rip. Let's see. Like, I mean, calls are going to be difficult here with where the SPY is. Yeah, Apple's trying to move. It's hungover today. It is. Dollar looks like it's going to pull back. Okay. Where's the SPY on the 3? She's getting walked. Okay. 3% on your account, feeling good for the day. Thanks, Stoplight Wins. There you go. Traffic lights for the win, dude. Let's see. Crypto coming down. Tessie. Gold fell off a cliff, so dollar could be moving higher. Let's see. VWAP is resist. Yeah, it's been using the 13 and VWAP as resistance here. Like looking at this, it's right now it's using the 48. So let's see what it wants to do. Amazon marching up, earnings after hours today. So there goes another flash. Let's see, right back up. Testing that 48. Oh, look at this, dude. This is crazy, dude. This is crazy price action today. Like crazy. Tessie's not doing it. Apple's not doing it. Spy's just being a fucker. I mean, that's another test of VWAP here. What's it going to do? These are some big ass candles, dude. Traffic lights are literally hacking the stock market. Before traffic lights, my trades were 67% accurate. Now I'm over 83% accurate. Dude, I'm telling you guys, if you're not going to use the traffic lights, just fucking quit the market. Like, seriously, if you're not going to come in here and use these traffic lights, really, you're going to struggle. So, again, 2 weeks are free over here, team. Make sure you guys take advantage of it. It's free for 2 weeks. Free. SPY still moving up. Let's see. No, you got that 1 minute traffic light here. Still going, dude. This is crazy. Let's see what we get here. Let's see. That actually looks interesting here. Oh, there's that 414.50. There it is. All right, SPY, what do you want to do? Coins following SPY? Of course it is, dude. All the stocks in the market are going to follow the SPY. This is chop. Be careful, team. This is getting choppy here. You can see this price action just fucking around. 413.86. Okay. Let's see. Dollar seems to have a little bit more influence. Yeah. So let's see. All right, Spy. What do you want to do? Oops. Thirsty Theta Thursday. Yeah, it does look to be the case here. Facebook going for it. Where is this? Oh, wow. Facebook. Holy shit. There you go. Let's see here. All right, guys. Keep hitting that like button on the way. We are almost at 300, dude. Let's see. Tesla's about to hit 190. Is it going now? It's flickering. It's not doing a whole lot much here. Still that 414.50 that it's fucking around with here. If you get that clean break and it shoots above this key level here, you could have some fun. Well, other than that, I mean, it's just going to use that level as strong resistance. It's trying. Let's see if it gets rejected here. It most likely will. Yeah, rejection. Oh, keeps rejecting. Let's see. 5-minute traffic light on SPY. Ooh, upside. Ooh, that could get spicy here. Let's see. Hold on. All right, give me a second. Let's see. Ooh, this is going to be fun. Ooh, there goes a nice little move there. All right. Let's see. All right, guys. Gabe is going to be going live in 4 minutes as well. I do want to see all of you guys over there. This is the link to Gabe's live stream, and we are going to be wrapping it up here very soon as well. So, guys, this was, I mean, it's Print City. It's very, very, very choppy, but I know a lot of you guys have been doing very, very well in the chop. Again, guys, you have a 14-day free trial. Remember, the prices are going to be going up soon too. So again, if you want to lock in your price, make sure that the price is never going to go up on you. You're going to have to come in now. You guys see all the people printing here. Let's do it. Oh, Gabriel says, hey, buddy, going to visit the folks next week. Going to start that free trial on Monday. Thanks for all the hard work. There you go, man. All right. So here is the link to platform right here. Again, we have such a beautiful platform for you guys. Come take advantage of all the tools that we provide you. So team, I will see you guys later. Make sure you take advantage of your free trials. Other than that, guys, I'll see you on Gabe's live stream. Peace.